Hey YouTube, today we're going to have a pretty exciting birthday unboxing from zcube. So this actually arrived at the date of my birthday, which I was really surprised of. So yeah, I'm pretty excited with all these things in here, so let's just get right into this. Okay, so let's just cut this off. Okay, so it's open. So you have 3 cubes in here, so I'm pretty excited for them. Oh wow, this is so rad. Okay, so here we have a cube custom square one, a Chi Big Cell, which I'm pretty excited for, and a Botron GT 5x5. And also we have a replacement part for my second Bush G6. So here, 2 pieces. So yep, and that's it for everything that's in the package. There's a receipt 10. Yep, that's it. Alright, so let's just get into the replacement parts. So here they are. They're pretty small there to them, and yeah, I guess okay with that. Alright, so I'm just gonna use use that for just my 6x6. Alright, so now let's just get right into the cubes. So I'm just gonna start by unboxing the big set, which I'm probably the least excited for, so I'm just gonna open this up. But I'm excited for this because this is going to be my feet main. Okay, so I also heard the Xingsha Legend is pretty okay. It's bigger than the big scale, and but it doesn't turn that well. Here's a pamphlet. Pretty simple. So alright, here's the big cell. Right off the bat, it feels really rounded, and oh wow, turning it. It was kind of sluggish though. I mean, it still turns slow. Yeah, it's definitely smooth and quiet. And the shades, yeah, shades are definitely nice. They're actually the same as the original cheese shades. But I mean, it's a budget cube. But I mean, it turns really well for its size. It's 6.8 centimeters to 68 millimeters, and turning OH, it actually performs pretty well. At least better than my Huanglong. The Huanglong is just super flimsy. Oh wow, it turned pink. Sorry. So yeah, I mean that's okay. Yep, and I just gonna start going feet because of this. So yeah, check out for that, and probably yeah, I'm gonna have a time enjoying myself doing feet. Alright, so here's the next cube, the Cuban Classroom Square one. I'm just gonna open from the bottom because it's already open. Okay, so here's the pamphlet as well. And actually, I have tried one of my friends' CC Scrum before, and it turns really well. So yeah, let's just do a couple first steps. Oh wow, there is a super gummy and kind of slow, but yeah, I mean that's not the boss, so it's okay. Sheets are definitely well, and they're vibrant, so. Alright, it turns well for a budget cube. And as you can see, there are attachable layers, which is definitely, oh shit, wow. Which is just definitely a problem for me on the Chi. Wait, what the plastic was? Yeah, I'm just gonna care about that later. But yeah, I'm just gonna switch yellow and white first because, yep, I did not solve one on top, so. Oh god. okay. But yeah, anyways, this is not that tight, but it turns pretty well. It's okay. Well, it's actually so smooth. Here's my original chi that I can compare to. You guys heard that sort of sound. And layers are definitely really fast, but I don't like it. I like it slow because it was a lot more controllable. But this is sandy but so smooth. If that does make sense. Yeah, it's definitely slower though. But yeah, but I'm just gonna have a good time playing with this, and yeah. So let's just get right into Voltron, which I'm probably the most excited for. I ordered it in Secretus because I like Secretus cubes a lot. So let's just get right into this. Okay. So this is actually my first ever good 5x5. My previous 5x5 is a Xingxiao, and it's not that great. It's okay. But yeah, so let's just get right into this. However, okay, so yep, here's the cube, the Voltron GT 5x5 from Boyu. Alright, so yep. First turns, it's definitely standier. But I mean, that's okay. It turns just still smooth. Ooh, it's kind of unstable though. Tensions are kind of tight. Sorry about the sound behind. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, this is definitely a little bit less smoother than my Xingxiao because I break it in. Yeah, but this definitely turns faster. Definitely a lot more smoother than my Xingxiao. Quarter cutting. So one piece on the ears, and more further, nah. Chainers. Yeah, it's just about the same. Possible. I mean, it won't be just like the Wushang or anything like that. That's stable. I mean, this would probably do for me, and yeah. So that's it for this unboxing. And I'm gonna have reviews on these three, so here are my first impressions on them. Alright, so I decided to just put the light off because it's a lot more good, the lighting. So my the Cumin Cloud is square one. Definitely turns a lot more smoother. I mean, this is gonna be my backup. This can't even be my main because the chi is so uncomfortable, and I actually never heard that Moyu's scrums ever stripped. So if you guys know will they stripped, leave it down in the comments below. I would like to know what will happen. So yeah, performing algorithms. It's kind of weird, that feeling. I'm using my chi a little bit more. Yeah, but as you can see, it definitely doesn't have this problem. Quarter cutting is okay. It's pretty good. And this is a great budget square one. On the cheap Excel, oh man, this has my expectations the most. It turns super smoothly and turns so fast for its size and so well. I mean, performing algorithms, it wasn't really bad at all. It doesn't hinder the performance of me just doing algorithms on it. So yeah. And finally, the Voltron. Not as good as I expected. I've heard a lot of good things about this, but Yeah, I was bossed. It wasn't that great, so I have to kind of break that in. So yep, that's it for my unboxing, and tell me anything if you know, or just some questions if you want to know, or if you want to know about how I feel on certain puzzle. I'm gonna make reviews on all these 3 puzzles. So yeah, keep an eye on for that, and see you next time in my next video. Bye.